Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bitwarden using Autofill and 2FA settings, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Bitwarden using Autofill and two-factor authentication, start by ensuring that you have the Bitwarden app installed on your device. Open the Bitwarden app and log in with your username and master password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, locate the two-step login section. Enable two-factor authentication by choosing the desired method, such as authenticator apps or email. Follow the prompts to link your two-factor authentication method. This may involve scanning a QR code with your authenticator app or entering a verification code sent to your email. Once two-factor authentication is set up, return to the main dashboard of the app. Now, ensure that Autofill is enabled in your device settings. On Android devices, go to Settings, then navigate to Accessibility and select Bitwarden. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then tap on Passwords and select Autofill Passwords. Make sure that Bitwarden is toggled on and allowed to autofill your credentials. To use the autofill feature, open a login page in your browser or app. When prompted to fill in your credentials, tap on the Bitwarden icon. This will display your saved login information associated with that site. Select the account you wish to log into, and Bitwarden will automatically fill in your username and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code from your authenticator app. Retrieve the code, enter it into the required field, and complete the login process. You are now securely authenticated with Bitwarden using Autofill and two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.